Modal verbs of deduction and speculation about the present. May, might. We use may and might to talk about things that are possibly true, but we don't know for sure. For example, he is more than 2 meters tall. He might be a basketball player. Perhaps he is a basketball player, but we are not sure about it. He says Betty is his friend, but I think she may be his girlfriend. We use may not or might not to talk about things that are possibly not true, but we don't know for sure. You should call her. She might not know where you are. Perhaps she doesn't know. We don't use can as a modal of deduction. We say he might be at home now or he may be at home now, but not he can be at home now. Must, can't. We use must when we are sure or quite sure that something is true. You must be tired after the long journey. I am sure you are tired. I am sure I had the keys when I left. They must be in the car. We use can't, not mustn't, when we are sure or quite sure that something is not true. We've been walking for hours. It can't be far from here. Not it mustn't be far. They've lived here only for a couple of months. They can't know many people. We use must when we are sure that something is true, and can't when we are sure that something is not true. Modal verb plus be plus ing. After may, might, must or can't, we can use be plus ing when we are talking about actions in progress. They've gone to Ibiza, and right now they must be having a great time. Call him. He might be waiting for us. This is all you need to know about the modal verbs of deduction and speculation about the present. See you in the next video.